All right, everybody. Hammerlane Runs and Customs today. We are going to be washing my dad's 379 Peterbilt. I think it's 379, right? Huh? It's a 379? 379. Okay, well, 379 Peterbilt. It's fairly dirty. It's been a while since we washed it. This is their primary breadwinner. This truck has a lot of miles on it, and he tries to keep it as clean as he can. That's the carport. That didn't last long. Wind got a hold of that pretty good. But as you can tell, it's a little bit dirty. I mean, got my dad's handprints. We can't really do much for the motor today, as there's a bunch of caked on stuff, but we don't have a power washer because ours broke, unfortunately. But yeah, so this is what we're doing today, and yeah, let's get into it. I know we kind of look like we're a cleaning channel and like we're cleaning up a bunch of but really,
we actually plan on doing some mechanic work at some point.
Yeah, we do plan on doing mechanic work. We decided to go with the tripod this time around, just to see like if y'all like it better than just the head mounted you know, GoPro thing, whatever. We can switch back to that, but if y'all prefer this, we can continue to do this. It's a beater Mustang. Oh god, we need to get the protective little case for this thing. Oh yeah, quick rundown of this hood. You might see, yeah, the quick rundown of this hood. You might see some warping in it, but that's because this truck was actually in a fire, and we pulled the motor out of my dad's International whenever the firewall was put in on that one, right, Dad?
Yeah, it had been on fire. It burned everything under the hood up.
Yeah, it burned everything under the hood.
The guy that had it had planned on fixing it, but then the other truck he had, he broke the crank in that motor, so he wound up pulling the motor and transmission out of this one. And so when we bought this truck, it was burned up and didn't have a motor and transmission in it. So what you see here, we have built ourselves.
Yeah, and the interior on this truck, sorry I keep like flipping it around, turning away from like the actual washing of the truck, but the interior on this truck, my dad had put a lot of work into it. I don't really know if he wants me to show it because that's kind of where he lives for a week.
You can show it here. You can go.
Okay, he said I can open up the interior, or open up the driver door and show y'all. But it's super nice in here, right? Probably not right now, but I mean, he basically lives out of this truck for a week and he tries to keep it as clean as possible. But this nice steering wheel he's had since I was freaking my girlfriend told me I should not cuss as much in the videos, so I'm going to try not to cuss as much. But yeah, so I forgot what I was saying now, but it's super nice. Like, he got this wood floors in here. If the camera will turn back on, because there it goes. But he has these super nice wood floors in here. He made this shifter himself. It looks like a piston. It's just really nice. I should probably tell him that's on. But yeah, it's just a really nice truck, and he built it all himself, or basically built it all himself. Only thing he needs now is a new sleeper, right, Dad? Huh? All you need now is a new sleeper.
I got the other thing in there. I'm gonna get it off. Get it built up like I want it.
I'll run the water hose. You.
I'm in money.
Oh shit. You can run the scrubber, since I got the camera and everything. Unless you want to hold the camera and run the water hose. almost looks almost looks like we sat there for an hour polishing it.
But we didn't.
What soap are we using to hang?
We'll go ahead and do the wheels as we go, and we'll do the tires last.
If you want to switch out, I can run the brush for a minute. Unless you have a specific way of doing it that you absolutely have to do it. Everybody, okay, all right, now we're recording. Okay, everybody, we're back. Just got the roof done. Sorry, climbing up the ladder. Looks pretty good up there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Nobody really sees the roof, huh, Dad?
Not really, no.
So I guess we're gonna get started on, I guess, whatever side you want.
We'll just come right on down this side out here.
Alright.
And work our way back around. Have the hood one up. Way better. See the primer now. You can see that it's painted somewhere other than primer. It all looked like primer a while ago. That's crazy. The primer, everybody, from the fire. That's where the paint had actually burned off the hood. I just hit it with primer, put a motor in it, and away I went.
Yeah, over here on the fenders, we probably need to hit these fenders again.
Yeah, we'll hit them more. When we fold it over, we will.
Oh, okay. But I guess we're gonna get started on this side. Do you just wanna, where do you wanna start? We're probably gonna have to do the visor again.
Yeah, definitely gonna need to do the visor. You look at it.
It's watermarked up.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can zoom. Zoom. No, hey, it doesn't zoom. We'll be back in a few minutes. I don't know. What do you think? A few minutes?
Yep. Wow. Forgot how black it was. That's something else.
Unless mom needs to go get picked up, and then.
Oh yeah.
All right. Well, we'll be back. I thought that one to show you this.
Dog. Don't look like the
Look
same truck,
at
does
the
it?
shine on that.
Don't even look like the same truck.
But yeah, we'll be back in if we had to go pick up, or Dad has to go pick up Mom, it'll be like an hour.
We'll be back in one Dr. Pepper break.
Yep.
The next day.
Okay guys, so yesterday we didn't actually get around to finishing the truck, and today we didn't get around to finishing it on video. So Dad still wants to show y'all what it looks like whenever it's finished. So let's go around the truck and show y'all. So he wasn't able to polish the wheels. Were you able to?
Nope.
Nope, he wasn't able to polish the wheels. So we didn't really get it done how we wanted to. So this is like a general clean, I guess. Still a lot better. Frames clean, back wheels are cleaner, back fenders are clean. Everything's clean on it, so it looks pretty good. Sorry we didn't get to finish this project or this washing on actual camera. I know it's unfortunate and disappointing, but you know, it is what it is. We had a busy weekend. But yeah, so that's the Peterbilt. But we'll see y'all
Next week.
next week.
Next week.
Next week. See y'all.